Hey YouTube! If you can't tell from my ears, we are in the most magical place on earth. That's right, Disney World. This is my first time here. Don't tell my mom, she says, we've been here before. I don't remember. We're so excited. We're using lightning lanes. This is our first time, so we're gonna take you with us to learn all the different tricks and what there is to do here at Disney World. We're excited. We have little kids, we have teens, we have adults. We're about to have a good time. That's what it sounds like, right? Come along for the full experience of our first time at Disney World. Come on. Quick tip, if you have a stroller, you're gonna have to take it off and on to go to Magic Kingdom, so make sure you put it in a bag. All right, yes.
Disney World.
Yes, so you just put everything in one bag. Makes it easy to take it off and on, collapse the stroller, and you're not wasting time.
We're at Disney. We're at Disney World. DJ, it's your birthday, man.
It's DJ's birthday. Look at that castle. It's huge. It's huge. Magic Kingdom. Our first stop is going to be the Laugh Factory with Monsters, Inc. That was the earliest one that we could book 3 days before with our Lightning Lane passes. So we're headed that way. Ready to have some fun.
That's waiting to happen. Hi everyone! My name is Buddy Boyle. I'm one of the funny monsters here, but I am not your MC.
Hello, humans!
Hi!
Oh, very good. I'm Mike Wazowski. That's Wazowski with one eye.
Orange.
Orange who?
Aren't you glad you're as fun as that guy?
Next up, the big kids are gonna go ride Space Mountain, and we're gonna go up in the sky and ride Astro Obiter. All right, next up, Tomorrowland Speedway. We got to go drive.
My son is whipping the heck out this car. Whip it, DJ. Go, Papa. Woo! DJ driving, whipping that thing. Keep it straight, Pop. Keep it straight. Mommy behind us.
I just want to remind y'all, this is not a race. So I see some people who are like, we got to get in all the rides in one day. We're with kids. We're with, grandparents, but it's like, we're going to have a slow day today. We want to enjoy our day. It's our first time here, so we really are learning the ropes. So if we don't get to all the rides, we're not mad. We have our top 3 kind of things we want to do, which was Tiana. We wanted to see Monsters, Inc. And Tron is a really big one for me. So as long as we get those kind of things in, we're gonna be happy. Now let's go.
Where did they go?
That teacup ride was so cute. It actually goes fast. Like you can really pull it. Okay, so we're gonna stop before our next Lightning Lane. We're gonna go to Buzz Lightyear next. But we're gonna stop and eat first at Starlight Cafe. So that's what we're doing now. All right, so we got 2 chicken strips with a side of fries, a bacon cheeseburger, a Coke, all for $40. But it's feeding everybody. Is it good? All right.
God did.
Do the kids say W? Is it W?
W
W in the chat. All right, lightning lane is finally active. Actually, it's been active for probably like 10 minutes, but we've been eating. So we went ahead and finished eating, and now the 5 of us who have lightning lanes for Buzz Lightyear, we're about to go in, redeem our lightning lane, and ride Buzz. Let's go. I'm excited. Pew, pew, pew. All right, so all we do is we park the stroller over there. We just make sure everything's locked down and covered, and then we go into our lightning lane. Look, we're already about to get on. Lightning lane was worth it. It took a 20-minute wait to
3, not even.
yeah, it took it down to a 3-minute wait.
Forces, blackouts. Z wants the spot. Stand
Whoa! Why is that point so high?
What did he hit?
I ain't getting nothing. You got all of it, guys? That was fun. I'm for sure we were stuck there for a second. But Dez was racking up points when we got stuck. I was like, where did these points come from? All right, now it's time to head to Tiana. Our lightning lane is gonna go out soon, so we need to go ahead and scan in for that. We had an 11:25 start time for Tiana, but we were already in Tomorrowland, so we did everything in Tomorrowland. So now we're gonna head over, which is kind of on the other side, to Tiana's. You wanna go?
Let's do Tiana.
Let's do Tiana's. We're entering Adventureland. Headed to our lightning lane and Tiana's Bayou Adventure. We're about to take a passage to Frontierland. Look how cute this is. Oh yeah, y'all have to see our setup. We have the umbrella hooked onto the stroller. Best thing we've done. Best decision. DJ is completely covered. It helps us be covered from the sun as well. That's Tiana. Oh, we made it. All right, let's go check into our lightning lane. All right, Tiana's Bayou Adventure is a 40-minute wait. But we booked a lightning lane for 11:25. We're good. Cute. Look at all the pictures. So it went from a 40-minute wait to a 5-minute wait for one of the most popular rides. You got this, Ava? I love you. It's so cute in here. I love you. Whoa!
Beautiful face. Let's join Louis up ahead and find some new fish and variety. We're going to the ride.
Come on, wherever you are.
Oh my God. Nisha, she was scared of the kids. Oh my God. That was so fun. We want to do it again, but it's a 40-minute wait, so we're gonna have to wait to the end of the night probably. Okay, now we are booked for Aladdin for a lightning lane. It's already started, so we're gonna head over there and go do the magical carpet ride, and then we're gonna book another lightning lane. We have another one for Haunted Mansion, probably I think it's around 3:05. So we're gonna keep that one, and just keep refilling these 2 slots. Lightning lane is coming in handy. And like I said, we're not in any rush today. Like, we're taking our time, we're eating, we're looking at the shops, we're booking our lightning lanes, and we're kind of trying to, so we did Tomorrowland. Now we're going to try to do everything over here in Frontierland and wherever Aladdin is. But like this side, so this side of the park. DJ's flying us, y'all.
Oh, yep, that explains that.
You like that? That was fun. You want to ride again? No. Oh, too far. So we have time into our lightning lane for Haunted Mansion, which is like 3 o'clock. So we're going to try to finish all the rides over here. Pirates of the Caribbean has a 15-minute wait. Jungle Cruise now has a 25-minute wait. All right, let's go. All right, we're about to head into Pirates of the Caribbean in the regular lane. 10-minute entrance. Up here, Des. They said, ain't no seatbelts. Ain't no seatbelts. No All right, next up, Jungle Cruise. We do not have a lightning lane for this, so we're gonna have to do the normal regular line. It's 30-minute wait. Let's see how fast we can get in. We're spoiled now. Lightning lanes have spoiled us. Doing a regular wait is like, why? It just doesn't even feel right doing a regular lane now that we've done lightning lanes. We're spoiled. We're lightning lane spoiled. Okay, this is our boat.
Skipper Jared.
Happy birthday to the person who's not here, who's taking it out.
DJ!
DJ!
Yay!
Get out. It's everybody's first Jungle Cruise.
It's my first!
Mine as well. My name's
Not
Skipper,
good.
That's
Was
my
that
name's
real?
Skipper, last name Trent, and I'm going to be your skipper
For the next 6 months, who's excited? Hands together for the backside of water!
All right, next up, Haunted Mansion. We have a lightning lane for this one, so we're gonna be able to get right on. All right. So this has a 30-minute wait, and it looks really long, and it's hot outside. Thankfully, we booked this. This was one of our original bookings when we first bought the lightning lane 3 days ago.
Look at it. Chill. They both grabbed me.
It took us about, well, we went right into the elevator, pre-show, I guess you would say. And then now we're about to, and it took probably another 5 minutes to get on the ride. Lightning lane definitely came through. We're gonna go to Dumbo, the flying elephant. In Dumbo, there is a secret play area for the kids in the AC. Amazing.
Hey, I got up.
He said, go down. Time for Ariel. Under the sea. Under the sea.
Under the sea. Nobody beat us, riots and eat us, can't trick us. Oh, unfortunate souls.
All right, boo. So because of the weather, they're having a weather delay, so we can't do anything outside. But I did book a lightning lane for 5 o'clock for Space Mountain for 2 of us. So we're gonna do that. That's inside, so we should be able to still get on that. It's not raining yet, but we did hear lightning, and it really doesn't look like it's gonna rain. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. No more lightning. They're trying to mess up our day, y'all. All right, so the standby line is 35-minute wait. We have lightning lane. Hopefully we can get in really quick. I'm just happy that the ride is still on. Space Mountain just went down literally as we're sitting in line. They're gonna give us, since we used our lightning lane pass, they're gonna give us that lightning lane back. But what a bummer. Whoa. Whoa.
Okay, here. Do mine. Go. Right here.
That's how you do the lightning lanes.
Go ahead.
They turn green. Des is next. Woo!
What it do, April?
All right, we're back at Barnstomer. Luckily, I was able to get a lightning lane for $6.40, so I grabbed that probably like 40 minutes ago while it was still down, just thinking ahead. And now we get to go in the lightning lane.
I'm with DJ. I don't want to ride.
Yay! All right, that was a cute ride, very quick. If you have a little one who wants to experience like their first roller coaster kind of thing, that's a good one. It doesn't last too long. It has one little drop and a couple little whoop whoops. But DJ didn't make it on. Ava did though. Look at all of these people down Main Street. They must be camping out for the parade. We're gonna get out of here before the parade. Okay, that's our last ride here at the most magical place on earth, Magic Kingdom, Walt Disney World. It was hot, but we made it through it. We got through a lot of rides, and we had little kids, we had grandmas, we had all different ages, and we had a really good time. Hope you had a good time.
Make sure your kids watch Disney before they come here.
Yes, watch Disney so they know which characters and relate to the rides and things like that. This is for kids. I'm gonna say this. If you're a teenager coming here hoping to have some like all the rides be like Tron, it's not gonna be like that. Like this is like majority are for little kids. So that's what you need to come in with their mindset. It's for little kids, okay? So all the rides are really slow or, you know, something like that. But it's still fun. And if you're into Disney characters, you know, the magic is still there. But yes, thanks for watching and coming with us.
Bye-bye.
Don't forget to subscribe to Cruising with Lou, and we'll see you on the next trip.